What's up, everybody? I've spent way more time than I'd like to admit buried in spreadsheets. So when I watch Anna Monaco's 2-minute video on Paradigm, capture my undivided attention. If Excel didn't exist today and you're going to build it from scratch, building it in a generative AI native way, what would that look like? Well, Anna, founder and CEO of Paradigm, is figuring it out. Here's the quote. She developed Paradigm, a platform that enables swarms of AI agents to autonomously pull from millions of vetted web and third-party data points to automate spreadsheet tasks. Number one, how much of the tedious and repetitive can be abstracted away? So here's a quote. Think Excel macros, but with prompts where other cells, columns, and spreadsheets can serve as context, she explained. This is a unique feature that no other tool currently supports. She added that LLMs like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Meta's Llama have become far cheaper to run in applications than when ChatGPT was first launched in 2022, making Paradigm an affordable tool for tackling spreadsheet data at scale. We had a customer that generated data in 122,000 spreadsheet cells on our product, she said, without identifying the customer. Number two, SDRs are going to love this part, along with generative AI go-to-market leaders who are native, right, including CROs, CMOs, etc. Traditional spreadsheets have column headers that describe each row's information, but Paradigm offers column prompts to help instruct each cell's own AI agent that then searches and analyzes data from public and private databases, including Google, Crunchbase, Apollo, and Hunter.io. The platform can also tackle tasks with several steps. For example, a single cell could contain information that requires crawling multiple sites and reasoning based on the aggregated data. Monaco showed Fortune a demo in which she created a spreadsheet list of AI companies that automatically pulled in recent product updates, news announcements, and leadership changes, as well as startups that had raised a certain amount of money at different stages and within specific dates. Again, for you go-to-market leaders that are generative AI native, I'm sure that gets your undivided attention as it did mine. Number three, I most definitely dig Anna's get after it quotient, aka she's very NYC. I kind of convinced Penn to let me graduate early. I love that. Growing up as a shy child in New York City, Monaco says she always had the desire to build. While she did not have access to coding classes, she taught herself to code by building games. Besides building Paradigm, Monaco's busy summer of 2024 also included co-founding and living in an all-female hacker house in Silicon Valley called Hack Her House, located in the Russian Hill neighborhood of San Francisco, where women founders pulled all-night coding sessions and helped out each other's companies. It's just been meaningful to have a lot of other really smart, inspiring, like-minded women around me, she said, adding that she feels a responsibility and a desire to allow more women to get really into building AI just because I think it's great. This last one is not my quote or Anna's, so I can't take credit for it. But if you're a quote-unquote black belt in spreadsheets and you know who you are, the person that started that quote and shared that with me, which made me laugh very loud, hint, hint, it was in Chicago, watch Anna's 2-minute video. The future has absolutely arrived yesterday. So exciting.